How many hours have you wasted chasing stakeholder sign offs only to realize your project charter missed critical risks? The Project Kickoff-Pack eliminates the chaos with AI powered charter generation that auto detects scope gaps, predictive risk modeling that identifies hidden dependencies, stakeholder prioritization matrices with dynamic power interest mapping, and communication plans that auto adapt to organizational hierarchies. Say goodbye to spreadsheet based madness. Project managers, team leads, and PMO directors get the tools to transform chaotic kickoffs into precision engineered launches. Because winging it shouldn't be a project management strategy. Here's what's inside the Project Kickoff Pack: AI powered charter creation with cross project template inheritance, stakeholder analysis modules with customizable RACI matrices, predictive risk modeling that surfaces high impact, low probability threats, communication plan templates integrated with Slack, MS Teams workflows. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your project's GPS with guardrails. Installing the Project Kickoff Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add project-kickoff-pack. That's it. You get the complete workflow: charter builder, stakeholder analyzer, risk engine, and communication planner. No more hunting for half built Notion templates. Your next Claude code session automatically unlocks AI guided risk mitigation strategies and stakeholder prioritization logic. The pack integrates with Jira, Asana, and Trello. Your team's next kickoff won't just be faster, it'll be fundamentally better. Because setup shouldn't require a PhD in spreadsheetology.